In Vericut 9.0, the Tool Setup feature, Tool Change List, has been reorganized with 5 new tabs. The Turret Setup tab makes it easy to drag and drop tools from the Tool Manager into a desired turret position. Translate, Rotate, Assemble, and Matrix tabs enable users to control the positioning of tools with greater ease. The Tool Event Setup tab enables users to control event IDs, tool IDs, and positioning. The Tool Chain Setup tab makes it easier than ever before to configure tools onto a tool chain. Simply drag and drop tools into the desired chain location. And that's it. For more information on Tool Change List, see the Vericut help.